All right, so today we're going to be talking about how I got denied once again for remonetization on one of my main channels. Now, I'm not going to lie, bro. This has been pretty frustrating. It has already been 6 months. I've already tried to reapply twice. And as you guys can see right here on my channel, this is my channel. I've been denied. Let me see if I can go to, let me see here. As you can tell, I'm not even posting on this channel. But yeah, there was a message here saying I got denied. If not, it's cool. So as you can see here, reuse content. I mean, guys, I deleted over 15 million views on this channel from shorts. As you can tell here, this channel is tanking right now because I have deleted videos that I probably didn't need to delete. But the problem is, guess what? YouTube doesn't tell you what the problem is. So if I go here, bro, that's crazy. So pretty much my whole channel, we still hold 15 whatever million views. We've made $3,000 on this channel, but we are only monetized on the channel for what, a couple months. And then we got a little greedy with the shorts, got demonetized. I was making like scheduled to make 1,500 in like a week, 2 weeks with shorts, being a little greedy, not editing the proper way. And that's what happens, man. And now I'm paying for it with this channel. You know, I've been trying to get it in monetization of this channel and it is hard. And the problem is, the craziest part is 95% of the content on here, most of my other channels, the same thing, all monetized. But for some reason, I don't know what it is. I have already expressed myself to Twitter, to the YouTube team, and how I could get remonetized. Is there a human even looking at my page? Because it makes no sense. Every single video, we can go to any video on here. Every single video has my face, my commentary, everything, right? We go to my channel. You can see my description, okay? All right, man. So the Indiana Fever, you see I'm talking right here. They talking the whole video, talking. Wins my voice, by 6. My face, my language. I am just, you know what I'm saying? We have a banner, we have a profile picture, we have my name, we have a, hey guys, welcome to the community. ceonocap will be providing daily uploads, reactions, recaps. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, ceonocap. We have my Instagram here. We have, I mean, it's branded. I don't get it. I don't understand. And if they're going to look at my main videos, right? One of my popular videos, something with like 67,000 views on it. Let's just say right here. She was on that time.
We appreciate when we're out there doing, we have fun playing with each other. So it's basically just playing basketball.
There are some things. So within 11 seconds, I'm talking. I'm talking the whole time here. They talk. So all this stuff has to do with me. You know, my commentary, my everything. You know what's crazy about this? Right? This video made $354 and it hasn't made any money in 6 months, 7 months. So imagine where this video would be at. How much money you would have made off this video, right? Same with, I know this video right here, this video is currently still getting views. You guys can see the main comments on this page currently are going to be from a video. Look, all the same. So this video is still going, getting views daily. But guess what? We haven't made any money in 7 months from this video. 7 months we haven't made money from this video. RPM has dropped tremendously. I would say I'd be up to $500 already on this video, but I'm demonetized.
There is still a lot of, as in a terrific shots left behind feed.
That at all, man. Look, so this video's been, or not just this video, it's been surfacing everywhere. I'm getting requests on Twitter. I even had somebody randomly DM me about this video. And bro,
so Ghost Guy took on the Dallas Wings.
But what I'm gonna have to end up doing, man, is probably deleting everything on this channel. Like I said, I've already deleted 600 videos on this channel. Like I said, over 15 million views probably, if not more. And by the way, I haven't really posted consistently on this channel. As you can see here, I started posting 2 weeks ago because I thought I was going to get remonetized. So after that, obviously I haven't posted in 2 weeks because I'm not monetized. I have other channels, right? So before that, as you can see, this was just demonetized error. All of this until this was probably Like this era right here, 6 months ago, this was probably the last time I was posting videos. Okay. I've changed this channel. I'm gonna switch it up. I don't know what it's gonna be. Probably like a reaction type thing. But my whole point of this video is just to show you guys that I was demonetized and not approved again. And I don't know what video it is, what content it is. So I still have an opportunity to do an appeal video. And the thing is, I can't delete anything. So whatever's on there now is gonna get reviewed. I'm hoping that they approve it, because honestly, I don't see how there could be any type of reused content on here. And reused content, guys, is something where you take a video and you post it without giving any commentary or doing any significant changes or commentary on it or editing or anything like that. And none of my videos have that. None of them. You know, a lot of my videos, I'm yapping on there. I'm talking for minutes on there, and my face is on every single video. So I'm a little confused. I don't know what to do. But like I said, I can't keep waiting 3 months for remonetization on a channel where I'm telling you now, there's no type of reuse content, in my opinion. You know, there's no more shorts on the channel, not even a single short. And I deleted shorts that were pulling in 44,000 views a day. This channel was averaging 100 and something thousand views every pretty much every day. And that's without me posting for 6 months. So now, when you look at this channel, I mean, it's not a good look, bro. It's not a good look at all. And you can see here, I don't even have a short section because they're all gone. Same here, all my shorts gone. And it sucks, man. I had videos with 5 point something million views on it. And you guys can see that in some of my other videos I've dropped on this channel. So yeah, man, that's really all I got. I just wanted to show you guys this. If you guys are dealing with this, hit me up in the comment section. I'm gonna give you guys kind of my thought process and what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take you guys through the process, but it is unfortunate. Like I said, this is pretty much like a job that's been taken away. And you know, part of it is my fault, but I think it's very hard to get back in once you already demonetized. And I'm hoping I don't have to delete all of these videos, bro. I really hope I don't have to delete all these videos. Like a lot of these are memories to me, you know. But yeah, so that's what I got for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Hit that subscribe button. I'm out.